In this video, I'm going to show you some solutions to fix if you are getting connection error in MemeFi. So I'm going to show you multiple solutions and you need to try all of this and see what works for you. The first thing you can do is to check your internet speed, because this error is related to your internet stability. So if your internet is not stable, you are going to get this error. So first, simply test your internet speed by searching speed test on Google and then clicking on this run speed test. If your speed is less than 2 Mbps, that's mean you need to change your internet connection, and that will fix your error. If your internet speed is good and you're still getting this error, what you need to do is just go to your settings and then go to apps. From here, click on manage apps and in search bar simply search Telegram and then click on storage, and here simply click on clear data and click on this manage space button. After this, simply click on this clear cache option and then simply open your Telegram again and try to check if this error is fixed or not. And the last thing you can do, though none of these solutions work, is to just open up Telegram on Play Store and update if there are any updates available for Telegram. And that's all you can do to fix this error. So that's it for this video. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.